Hey there, what if I told you that in just 14 days, by investing 2 to 3 minutes of your time per day, you would become visibly more confident and more sure of yourself without the use of apps, without complicated exercises, and without endless self-advice talk? Sounds impossible? It's not, because you already have it in you, and I'll show you how. Most people think that confidence is loud, extroverted, and perfect, but it's not. Real confidence is quiet and it's built internally. And that's why I've made this 14-day program in such a way that every day you get some tiny actionable thing that produces a mindset shift and a behavior change. Now, every day you will get a little thing. It'll be a reflection or a tool or a mental hack, something that is practical, which can be applied immediately and which is going to give you huge results. Here's what you will see in 14 days. You will notice a real difference in how you think about yourself. You will speak, act, and show up with more confidence. You will feel less held back by comparison and self-doubt. And you will have a toolkit of small but powerful habits you can carry forward every day. How does it work? It's simple. 14 daily videos, each which will take 2 to 3 minutes of your time. There will be a simple reflection or an action or something that you need to do per day. And you need to do this consistently for 14 days. They're really practical exercises. You don't need extra time, extra money, or any level of experience. It's okay for you to do it wherever you are, whatever age you are. I guarantee you it works. So if you're ready to reset your confidence in 14 days, hit subscribe, turn on the notification, type in "I'm in" the comments, and I'll see you on day 1.